Well, look what we have here. It's a 1975 Pontiac Trans Am, bright red, white deluxe interior, loaded with options, including air conditioning and the honeycomb wheels. I love the honeycomb wheels. If I were to own one of these cars, that would be a must. Have the original build sheet, the glove box pouch with the manuals, and we got dyno sheet for the engine and invoices for the rebuild. Go to volocars.com. That's where you can read up about all the cars we have for sale. We have about 200 in stock right now. That's also where you'll find a price tag and the monthly finance payment as well, including for this one. But right now, join me. Let's go for a spin. Yeah, they did a pretty killer job repainting this car. Oh, I didn't even mention this is a one-owner car as well. Complete professional repaint. Probably looks better than it did when it was new. So this hood is square and flush, absolutely straight, absolutely shiny. All this is in great shape. It does have like a machined drilled surface back here. Normally that's plugged, so they did open that up. The roof is excellent, even coming down the pillar here. All this is in excellent shape. All the way down at the bottom still has the factory dimples from the spot weld. All the way around the wheel well lip, it has that. This is all fitting real nice, all looking beautiful. It's not cracked or damaged. All this is excellent. The spoilers line up real nice. Laser beam straight, all nice and clean. Same thing, factory dimples. What I'm talking about is the spot welds that they attach these at the factory. Normally they're covered with body filler or they're replaced. Absolutely straight, absolutely really nice. The rockers are clean. Door fits real nicely. Right here, this is all real nice. Normally you're loaded with rock chips. Big giant door. Shuts real nicely. I didn't think I pushed it hard enough and it closed. You have the air extractors, no chips behind the fender. All of this really, really nice. I'm very impressed. I'm enthusiastic. So way down here, a couple touch-ups down there, a few little right here. Got a few on the front right there. Not broken, not damaged. Sometimes this filler panel is all broken and beat up. It's not. It's all painted a nice satin black. Same exact thing on both sides. There's a touch-up. They must have bumped a curb. The decal, the chicken, screaming chicken, that's in excellent shape. The 400 is excellent. Decals on the side, all that's looking really good. Sport mirrors. There's some touch-ups right here. Windshield does have a stone chip, a bullseye right down there. Trim is good. Calling it good. It's straight and shiny, but not new. There is a light stick-on tint on the glass. This rear window has the defroster lines. Yeah, this is all real nice. Something dripped on here. I don't know if that'll wipe off for us or not. But this is all nice. All behind the license plate. The lenses, all that's looking really good. BF Goodrich tires are in excellent shape. Honeycomb wheels are in really nice shape. You know, this is like I'll call it a rubber. I don't know what the exact composite, but this is not aluminum. And all that's in really nice shape. 15-inch. Door handles are real nice. The weather strips are real good. The seals are soft. It's a nice car. Let's open it up, see that beautiful white interior. So do you remember having to flip the license plate down to put gas in your car? It's also where you put the key in to open the trunk. Again, they did a killer job with the paint job. This is slick. This is nicer than factory. Working trunk lamp. The jamb is slick. New weather strip. All this just nice and clean. All the wiring. You have the insulated mat, the original one. Underneath is all clean and solid. This is spare that's never been used, still has the tread is never used, still has the ink stamps, and that is a honeycomb wheel. Also, the jack is mounted up under there. It looks so clean, I don't know if it's ever been used. Subscribe to our YouTube channel. Click that bell icon so you're notified about the new videos. Like my daughter Shelby just posted a fun YouTube short today. Jams are slick too. I mean, really nice. Again, they did a killer job with the paint. Weather strips are replaced. Door panels are in really nice original condition, so a little bit of yellowing going on, but they're clean, they're straight, they're not beat up. This is an unabused interior, and it's a deluxe interior. So looking at the dash, again, unabused. The machine turned trim isn't all scratched and beat up. All this is nice, full set of rally gauges, 83,970 actual miles. Heater control panel's nice, has the correct cigarette lighter, optional rear defogger. The dash pad is real nice, and the handle, the vents. This is our inspection sheet that'll go with it. All the books and manuals are in the office. There's pictures on our website. A few light scratches here from people's shoes. The light works. A new carpet. It has these really nice Lloyd's floor mats, embroidered mats. So it had an AM radio originally, so now it has the Pontiac retro stereo. Still has the original 8-track that it came with. I'm going to assume that's no longer hooked up because that tied into the AM radio originally. The console's in real nice shape. No cigarette burns. This whole bezel is in excellent shape, and the shifter knob. All this is really nice. The seats were original. They were coming apart at the seams. So we replaced both of them so they match. These are very comfortable seats. Just look at the cushion and you sink into the middle. Very supportive, but we just had these professionally redone. They're like new, and we even had the backs of the seats replaced because they just get all scratched up. Now the rear seat is original. You can see it's in excellent shape. It's got all the seat belts. The side plastic trim is not beat up or broken. That's all real good. Someone did replace the headliner. It's like a black, kind of like a carpet material, black felt material. Working dome light. We got the retractable seat belts. Looks like original visors. And then one of my favorite steering wheels of all time, the Formula cushion grip wheel. I love that wheel. It's on the optional tilt column. So very nice unabused interior. Really clean in here. And I love sitting in these seats. Even up by the door hinges, it's all painted slick. So this is the original VIN number match 400, and I have a couple pages of detailed specs on the engine. It was bored, it was honed, it was milled, it was decked, and it was balanced. Reground crankshaft, redid the rods, roller rockers. We have all the specs, and then it was dyno tuned at 317 horsepower. And 400 and something pounds of torque. That'll all come with it. Edelbrock intake, and it does have headers, which are kind of buried down there. All nice and clean. There's the shaker hood scoop that actually is functional now. It has an HEI ignition hiding back there. Nice, clean, raw fiberglass, not spray canned over. Air conditioned box, cadmium plated. Updated Freon. All this is just clean. The compressor is replaced. There's a sticker on it. The overflow bottle is intact. Everything just looks clean, straight, not beat up, not abused. Nice smooth finishes. Alternator looks fresh. We did replace this ductwork right here. Here's the washer fluid bottle. Batteries bolted down. Has power steering, power brakes. So yeah, very complete, nice motor compartment. Michael's gonna take you out and show you how it runs. We'll see you in a few minutes.
All right, everybody, got a really sweet car here today. Bit of survivor car, one owner. Showing 83,971 miles on the odometer. This is our first loop on our new private test track here. See, it's pretty windy, so you can get a good idea on the turns of what it is. Very unabused car. Our shop went over this car top to bottom. They really didn't find much wrong with it. A couple tinkering things. We did get the seats recovered front and back on this one, so they feel great and look even better. So all the little winds and bends back here. Car, we did let it get up to temperature. It does appear that all the gauges are working properly. .400 under the hood, rated at 319 horsepower. Accelerates nice and smooth there. We'll do another half loop. And yeah, like I said, our shop thought that it was a great car. Really no need to do much of anything on it except recover those seats. So if you want to come test drive it for yourself, you're more than welcome to come do so. Just give us about a day's notice when you contact our sales department. All the cars are in a museum setting, and we do need time to move them around and get it ready for you. But yeah, this one runs great, drives fantastic, nice power steering. Lots of options in this car. I know Jay's going to go over it with you, but air conditioning, power steering. It has an 8-track player in here, rear defroster. Really highly optioned car. All right. And with that said, check out all the details, pictures, and the full description on volocars.com.
Rock solid. It looks like the floors and the braces and the rockers, all nice, clean, original metal. This has the radial tuned suspension, whatever that was. It does have sway bars front and back. It does have a full dual exhaust system, front to back, in excellent shape. Just like, left the factory, disc brakes up front, drum and back, e-brake is hooked up. So everything looks clean, proper. It's been inspected by our shop. We made some cosmetic upgrades, and they didn't find anything mechanically to do to this car. When you look up at the motor, the starter, all that's still real clean. Has the turbo 350 automatic, has a posi rear end in the back. So really sharp looking car. Again, I'm thoroughly impressed with the paint. I'm more impressed now than I was before our video. Got a lot of great stuff going for it. You can go to volocars.com, talk to the salesman. They'll help answer your questions, including how you're going to get this delivered. We can help with that, and how to get it financed if you need that. Thanks for watching.